Brickworks can trace its history back to 1908 when our heritage business, Australbricks, was incorporated in St Peter's in Sydney. Today, 60 people are employed at Rochedale, including highly skilled operators, tradespeople and white-collar specialists. Over the last 8 years, Brickworks has grown its female representation by 9%, currently sitting at 25%, and we remain committed to increasing representation further by creating an inclusive environment for everyone. Brickworks and its building products division fully supports the development of our female employees, and today we would like to gift all the female employees working in Queensland and also women in construction membership to show our appreciation and how much we value the contribution of women in our workforce. It is our intention that our partnership with AWIC will strengthen Brickworks' commitment to diversity and inclusion while helping to advocate against discrimination, educate the next generation and amplify the voices of women in construction.